Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? So today guys, I'm going to show you the secret place I never showed to anybody. So this is my secret thing. So I don't know. So I should show you or not. So I'm gonna show you. But that guys, I'm gonna tell you something. Yeah. So guys, for that you need to go inside that you need to do one thing. You need to get a RC car. So you'll tell bro, how will I get a RC car? Right? You'll tell like that. So bro, in what the hell is this guy? He's wearing mask and he's seeing it. Yeah, in your mobile there's no RC car. But guys, I found a secret place. I don't know how did I find. I was just going here and there and I found it. You can just see that mountain, right guys? I found it there. I found a supercar with nitros. It's in different car. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's so slow motion. Bro, can't you just get so fast? So there's no cars here. Oh, that's pretty car. Gun, run, run. Is that even? They have money? No. What is this floor gang? Okay, so guys, just leave this. I was just checking the name of it. I thought if they had money, I'm gonna steal them. Okay, so guys, how to get the RC car and the super car? But I'm just showing you. So you'll go from here. You will see a gas station. Just stop anyway and get out of the car. You will come front here and you will see the hole. This come this side, this side, this side, and here is your RC car. Bro, why is it jumping? Every time it jumps, so I don't know. Yeah. So let's just on my guys. Okay, guys. So let's sit inside the RC car. It's very small. And guys, I made a video on that about this. Guys, as you can see, this car is a secret car. It always it's on this location. So I don't know how did I find it. As I told you, so guys, when you will put your screen down, you'll see. Okay, so we just need to take a round around the mountain, and we will find the way. So we're just gonna take a round around the mountain to find it. So not. Yeah, guys, and they will. If you cannot find like this, you just need to look closely, and you will find it. I think you can go by Lamborghini. Find one this place. What? Guys, I see this place. Who went to that place came? Really, guys, I didn't saw, but I saw this way. Well, let me just continue this way, guys. So from here, I saw this thing, but I didn't saw that. That's so cool. Okay, so here there will be money. So I don't know how did I found these things, but that's so cool. So we need to get out the car, but we can't go inside because this is very big. I think that's why they gave us the car. I think. So I'm lucky. I'm the guy who found. There will be a giant monster. Why the? Oh yeah. So guys, I still understand that another place, not this one. I understood this one, but I still did not understand that place. So here we can get out, jump to the car. So we're gonna take money. Just take all the money. Bro, why the hell is not coming? Okay, leave it. We can take this money. So it's very hard to take money. Okay, so leave that money. Okay, so we're gonna go that desert kind of place. I don't know what is that. I didn't saw that. So we're gonna check that. So I was just taking a round around the mountain and I saw that car. First of all, I saw that car. Then after that, again I was taking a round. And I went by mistake inside. How did we get inside the mountain? So I was just taking a round inside the mountain, just seeing how does it look. When I just saw what is this? So guys, let me how is this thing flying? So guys, oh, how is that tree flying? Trees are flying. But I guys still didn't understand what is this. What is this? Let's see if a car comes here. Oh, they're showing the location, guys. Inside the mountain, bro. What? What? Let me just check it out. Oh yeah, they're showing the inside the. So we're gonna take this. I forgot to see the name of it. So guys, can you believe it? A way, and that way is that skeleton. And guys, I showed you in this video how to get RC car. It's near the petrol pump. So I got a. What is this? Let's see how does it work. What? Why is he dancing? When I stop, he dances. Bro, you'll get it. Oh, it has nitro. That's cool. Okay, so we are gonna get out. It's so slippery. Oh, so fast. Oh, stop. So guys, let me show you how's that car. Let's just jump from here. So guys, I like this game. This game is like real kind of. So guys, we are gonna check. One more thing, near police station there is a I don't know what to tell. When we go on it, our tire blast. But I don't know about this. This doesn't have tires. So we're gonna go check that in this video. And there will be a skateboard here. Yeah, there is. So we're gonna take the skateboard and show you how that car. So it also has nitros. Let's go first. Sit inside this. This is very cool. Dragster. The name is Dragster. Let me show you. Drive it here. Never drive it. Let's do it today. We should drive everything. Never ever do it. Bro, it doesn't work. Sorry, guys. So we're gonna take a slow motion. So the intro comes from here, and this is the slow motion. But this every part, everything is slow motion. Even while walking. Even while walking, guys. Like this. Just press C, guys. Going slow. When we leave it, we're going fast. When it's whatever it is safe for now. Yeah, when we press it. Let me show you. There's so many drifts. This is the It's going so fast. And guys, do you know if there is a yeah, guys, do you know there is a trolley inside this grocery store that we can drive? Yeah, free money. You can get in the shop. Thank you so much. Just press this, guys. You can try. Even there's an intro. This game is like so good, so cool. We're gonna get the fire truck. This is the last thing we're gonna do, and then we're gonna. Oh, monster! It's the truck, bro! Are you kidding me? No, guys, no. That's not possible. How, guys? Bro, I don't know. I'm so lucky, bro. What the? Oh, so here is the place where they do the whole work. Ooh. Somebody steal my monster. Bro. Oh, monster truck. Bro. I'm gonna make a video on this after this. Really, guys. Really. I'm so excited I found this. I'm so lucky, bro. I don't know why. Is the weather not okay or what? Oh. Stop. Bro, you know, I was driving the car and suddenly fell in the water. Guys, we can ride car in water. Guys, I know. We can't, but this game is possible for everything. But not for some things. So guys, if you like my video, share, subscribe and like to my channel.